Okay, next step, open AutoCAD Google Classroom, find the block bed 201, prepare it as required. Here I gave you some information. We know that the depth of this bed is 4 feet 6, okay? And later on I want you guys to use the plan and do this elevation and actually the other elevation. So let's do it step by step. First, let's go to the to the folder and open the AutoCAD drawing. So I have it open. When you're working on the block and you want to import it to your drawing, you have to check a few things. First of all, check the layer. See this one, it's called furniture. And if I go inside the block, it's another layer. See, this is bed model something. So I don't know, maybe what we can do, uh, you know what, maybe it's easier if we just explode it. Okay, in some cases it's easier to explode it. Let's just explode it. Sometimes when you explode it, something just, messed up. But let's see, if I explode this one, what would happen? I go to modify, explode, and I just explode this block to make my life easier. So now it's in pieces. First thing first, I would put it in layer 0. Okay, I don't want to add any layer to my drawing. Next thing, I told you guys that the depth of this bed is 4 feet 6. Let me measure and see if I have 4 feet 6 here. Most of the time when you find any block, they are really random sizes. They are in metric. They are, oh, look at this one. This is, oh my gosh, 3712, and it's not even inch. What does it mean? It means that this is a metric setup. Even if I try to change the scale, I try to change the scale reference from here to here, I change it to 4 feet 6. See, AutoCAD will not accept it because it's a metric setup. In this case, I have to go to Option, Drawing Utility, Units, and change this to Architectural, and change this one to inches. Okay. Next step, I want to change the scale. To change the scale, SC spacebar. First question, select the object. This is my object. I accept my selection by pressing spacebar. I have nothing else to add to this. Then the base point for the scale. So the base point, maybe I just select this corner. It doesn't matter where. Okay, the base point, if you remember, it's the point that AutoCAD changed the scale according to that one. Just if I knew the ratio, for example, if I knew that I want to make this table, this bed 2 times bigger, I can just type 2. If I want to make it half, I can just type 0.5. In this case, I don't know the ratio, but I know that the depth of this bed, I want it to be 4 feet 6. So I just type R. R means reference. See, I have reference here. Or you can just click here. And the next thing AutoCAD asks me was to specify the reference length. Because again, I don't know it, I just click on the screen and I show AutoCAD that my reference length is from here to here. Now see AutoCAD asking me for the new length. And I know the new length is 4 feet 6. Enter. Okay, see, it's getting really smaller. And if I just use this to measure from here to here, see, it's 4 feet 6. It's already in layer 0. The size of the scale is good. So I can add the wipeout, and I can just transfer it there. Or maybe in this case, we can add a hatch. It depends which one is easier for you guys. what I can do, you know what, I guess the wipeout it's easier because I have too many pieces to hatch. So I just use wipeout, and I start from this corner, and I just go around. There is no need to be really picky. Okay, nobody will notice this, but here too, even if I go straight, it's fine. Here, and then I just select my wipeout, right click, drawing order, send it to the back. Okay, next step, I just make it as a block B, enter, for example, bed number 1, pick point, maybe here, maybe the center, doesn't matter, select the object, okay. Okay, so I prepare it, it's in layer 0, I select it, Control C, then I go back to my drawing, and I use Control V, and I bring it here. Okay, so move, and I bring it a little bit closer here. So this is again furniture. I can just match it with this one. Okay, so I have these two furniture ready. Now I can do the elevation. I need both side elevation of this bed, and it's pretty simple. Uh, it's nothing complicated. You just have to, you know, wait a second. Here you go. See, I have the height and everything here. So I use this dimension and I draw it.